Next step you would do would be to remove all the wheel weights, which for some reason this tire has no wheel weights. On the inside rim, nor on the outside. So, making sure the valve stem is away from the press. You're gonna bring it in and break the bead on the tire. Spin it around. Same thing on the back side.
Oopsie.
We're going to pull the arm in, push it down, adjust it. Get our pry bar, get just under the bead. Make sure that the bead is towards the center of the rim to give you more area to play. Rotate the tire. So now that we got one side done, time to do the other side. Same process, just got to pull it up and go around. So there goes dismounting a tire.
Soon.
Alrighty, when mounting tires, you want to make sure that they're not directional tires. Directional tires go on just a certain way, which these ones from the tread pattern doesn't look like it. And looking around the edges, nothing says a directional pattern at all. So we're going to take our lube here, go around the bead of the tire to make it a little bit easier, inside and out. This way it goes on just that much easier. Pull the arm back around and get it set. With this, you got to apply pressure down to make sure the bead stays towards the center. This way you do not rip the bead or the tire. This part's sometimes a little bit harder depending on the person. That is how you do that.
Go.
Alrighty, from here, apply the air hose to put the bead, seat the tire completely on the rim, and fill it back up. Sometimes you gotta pick up on the tire a little bit just to get it to seat, and as you can see, it's starting to fill up. Make sure never to put your finger in there for fear of it popping. There it goes. Looking at the gauge over here, getting the tire back up to the pressure that it needs to be.